Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field, and Apple may be looking to keep up with other tech companies who are also investing heavily in artificial intelligence. By releasing a powerful AI focused chip, Apple can ensure their devices are capable of running the latest AI applications. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Apple is known for its commitment to delivering high performance devices, and integrating a specialized AI chip could significantly enhance the performance of tasks related to artificial intelligence. By offloading AI computations to a dedicated chip, Apple devices can execute machine learning algorithms more efficiently, leading to faster and more responsive user experiences. AI technologies have become increasingly integral to enhancing user experiences across various Apple products and services. From intelligent voice assistants like Siri to advanced photo and video processing capabilities, AI plays a crucial role in enriching the functionality and usability of Apple devices. By investing in a dedicated AI chip, Apple can further improve these features and introduce new AI driven functionalities. A more powerful neural engine in the M4 chip could allow Apple to introduce new features to their devices that leverage AI. For example, facial recognition, improved object recognition in photos, or even more sophisticated augmented reality experiences. Even though the M4 is built for AI, it also boasts improved overall performance and power efficiency. This could allow Apple to create thinner, lighter devices without sacrificing performance. Apple released the M4 chip in the new iPod Pro, but some analysts believe it might be a way to get the chip into the hands of developers before their upcoming software conference, hinting at a bigger focus on AI across their product line. AI continues to reshape the tech industry. Investing in dedicated hardware for AI tasks can give Apple a competitive edge. By developing its own AI chip, Apple can tailor it to the specific requirements of its devices and optimize performance for its ecosystem, distinguishing its products from the competitors. Apple's decision to focus on bringing a new AI focused M4 chip reflects its commitment to delivering cutting edge technology, enhancing user privacy, maintaining a competitive edge, and laying the groundwork for future innovations. Let's look into today's headlines. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India recommends to make Truecaller-like name display compulsory. In a move to tackle pesky calls and control frauds through mobile phones, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has recommended that names of callers should be displayed in incoming calls and that details of the caller can be fetched from customer application form. TRAI recommended the measure to the Department of Telecom. CNAP is a supplementary service that enables the caller's name to flash on phone screens when someone calls. Google launches Google Wallet app in India. Google has announced the launch of the Google Wallet app in India and has partnered with 20 brands including PVR, Air India, Indigo. The wallet app, which has gone live in the country, will cater to non-payment use cases and complement Google Pay. This app will offer fast and secure access to everyday essentials, enabling people to conveniently store and retrieve important digital documents like boarding passes, loyalty cards, movie tickets, and more. The High Court asks Centre to address plea on non-regulation of deepfake technology. The Delhi High Court has sought the Centre's response on a PIL by veteran journalist Rajat Sharma against non-regulation of deepfake technology in the country and seeking directions to block public access to applications and software enabling creation of such content. The notice was issued to the Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology on the petition. Political parties are also complaining about this as well. A new audio call bar feature to soon be available on WhatsApp. With the most recent beta version, WhatsApp is enhancing its UI and adding a new audio call bar function. Users of Android 2.24.10.18 can download the update through the Google Play beta program. WhatsApp introduced a revamped calling interface with more readable buttons and a minimized option with version 2.24.7.19. With the addition of a call bar on the top of the screen, WhatsApp now goes one step further and lets users handle audio calls without having to stay on the call screen. Users can directly end or mute calls using this bar. Adobe revolutionizing workplace productivity by Acrobat AI Assistant for the enterprise. Adobe has announced the availability of Acrobat AI Assistant for enterprise customers. Acrobat AI Assistant features are now accessible to all Reader and Acrobat Enterprise and individual customers on desktop, web, and mobile devices through an add-on subscription. Acrobat AI Assistant is a conversational engine driven by generative AI that can be quickly and simply installed in a matter of minutes, enabling all knowledge workers within the organization to achieve unprecedented levels of document productivity. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.